products. I use a lot of products from them. I like the brand, but I'm just not feeling these products. So yeah, I'm not too sure. So I'm just gonna take a little bit. Oh, I was gonna literally just place this, but look at the applicator, guys. The applicator just makes it easier. This is weird. I feel like it's got some weird particles in it. Can you guys see that? But I feel like it leaves a white cast on dark skin. I don't know, I'm not feeling this at all. Okay. I think I say this in every single video, but my lips are so dry. They're so dry, like. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tonique Campbell, aka Bouji in London, and we talk about all things Bouji in skincare and all things Bouji in fashion. So today guys, we are talking about Pixi Beauty. This is their VIT C new range, and I was kindly gifted this from Pixie and I wanted to try this out. Since we talk about all things Bouji and skincare on this channel, I thought I'd try it out with you guys, and you know, you guys gotta give you some tips on how to get their skin bougie. So I know you haven't watched this video already, but if you would just please give it a like, because this really helps with the algorithm in YouTube, and you know your girl needs to get them views. She needs to get them likes and views, guys. And also, before we get into this video, have you subscribed to my channel? Because if you haven't, I'm at the stage where it's coming a little bit rude now. Do you know what I mean? Coming back, but you're not subscribing. So I'm just gonna give you a little bit of time just to subscribe. Oh wait, you subscribed? Okay, let's get into the video. Alrighty guys, this is the Pixi Vitamin C range. Pixi say, in nature, there is an ingredient that brightens and adds a touch of colour, leaving the skin feeling refreshed and ready to glow. Vitamin C is this powerful multitasker. It gives skin's benefits plus a natural no makeup look, making Vitamin C the perfect treat for a day off. Meet our plus V collection. So that is the collection. Actually, I've had a few influencer friends that have tried this out already, and their feedback has been really great. So the first thing that I want to go in with is the Pixi Vitamin C UnderEye Brightner. Pixi say this is a vitamin C infused under eye perfector. It blurs and energizes. So I'm just going to take a little bit. Oh, I was gonna literally just place this, but look at the applicator, guys. The applicator just makes it easier to apply. So I'm just gonna put a little bit here and a little bit there. If you've been watching a few of my videos, then you will know that recently my eyes, they've been getting really sensitive. So I'm looking for a new eye cream, to be honest. I'm currently using the Glam Glow one, and I'm also using the Rhodial one at night, but I'm all about brightening the skin, so this could actually prove to be lovely. Yep, that's lovely. They don't have a serum, and I love a little vitamin serum, so I'm gonna go in with the Murad Vitamin C Glycolic Brightening Serum. Nothing to do with Pixie, but it is also a vitamin C serum. This one is literally finished, so I do need to get a new one, but I love it. I use it every day, and it just aids in making sure that my skin illuminated and is brightened. And of course, glycolic acid is such a great benefit to the skin, as it helps get rid of the old skin cells to reveal fresh, new, beautiful skin. So we love a little bit of glycolic acid. The next one is a lip brightener. Okay, I will definitely be using this, because I think I say this in every single video, but my lips are so dry. They're so dry, like, oh, I don't know if it's winter or it's the mask situation, but they're just so dry. That felt so nice on the lips. I think also with age and wearing a lot of lipstick, I've been wearing lipstick from young, your lips tend to darker. This could also be a result of hyperpigmentation. This could be a result of sun damage, being in the sun. There's many different reasons why your lips can darken, and I would like to think that mine are a little bit rosy, but I think they have darkened over the years, so I hope that does give that a little bit of a pop of color. The next one is the Brightening Perfector. This is a vitamin C infused complexion enhancer which blurs and perfects to give skin a dewy radiant finish. You can use this solo or under makeup for a perfect complexion. So I'm just gonna take a little bit. This is weird. I feel like it's got some weird particles in it. Can you guys see that? Okay, I've rubbed it into the skin. My skin does feel a lot more smoother, and you can obviously place makeup on after this, but I feel like it leaves a white cast on dark skin. What do you guys think? Or am I using it correctly? It says just place it into skin, but I don't know. I'm not feeling this at all. No, I think the Brightening Perfector, I don't think it's for me, to be honest. I don't know. Comment below. I don't know. Okay, and then lastly, I'm going to go in with the priming oil. You can use this as your last step of skincare or your first step before makeup. So obviously this is my last step of skincare, so I'm going to place this. I've heard so many good things about this. I was asking some of my influencer friends who also got gifted this set, and one of my friends said that this is like amazing. This is her go-to recently. So I'm going to try it and see, but now I don't really have high hopes. So I'm just going to take 2 drops and I'm just gonna work that into the skin. I don't know, guys, what do you feel? I feel like for something that's meant to illuminate my skin, I feel like my skin feels a little bit ashy, so I'm not really too thrilled. I'm gonna put some makeup on and then come back and see like if it does make a difference to my makeup. But yeah, to be honest, the only thing I'm actually really liking is the UnderEye Brightner and the Lip Brightener. The last 2 products, the priming oil and the Brightening Perfector, it's kind of a no for me, but let's see. I'm gonna put on some makeup. Yeah, let's see if I change my mind. Okay guys, so I've put my makeup on. What do you think? I think the only thing that I will keep is the eye cream and the lip brightener, but the other 2 products, I think the tone corrector just made me a little bit ashy, and then the priming oil, I don't know, I wasn't really feeling it. I might try the primer oil again. I'll update you on my Instagram. If you're not following me, follow me right now. But yeah guys, I'm a little bit disappointed, only because I do use a lot of Pixi's products. I use their Glow Tonic, I use Jasmine Night Owl, I use their Eye Collagen Serum, I use their Glow Stick. A lot of products. I use a lot of products from them. I like the brand, but I'm just not feeling these products. So yeah, I'm not too sure. What do you guys think? If you tried this collection out already, let me know in the comments below. But yeah guys, I think that's it. If you like that video, why not give it a thumbs up? If you think anyone can benefit from this video, why not share it? I'd be happy for you guys to share this video. As always, you can follow me on my social media platforms. I'll leave the links down below. If you are interested in these products and you want to try them out as well, I will also leave the links of where you can purchase them from. But I guess I'll see you in another video. Remember to always say what, guys? Bougie.